Doesn't it feel like Christmas? It feels like Christmas. Feels so lovely. Feel like Christmas. The spirit of
Just about the most boring come to work with me ass, let's go to class ass vlog there is. Anyhow, so I'm just gonna talk a little bit, hopefully it'll entertain you guys. Has anyone ever been in a rush to get home just to do nothing? I've been in a rush to get to work on time because I'm always running late, but that rush to get home is something different. Gotta get there. Throw off my wig, take off my shoes, and get into a warm. I have poor circulation. It's not standing. It's not giving let's stand up. So yeah, I'm waiting for the back of my car to defrost a little bit. I could just go outside and shake off the snow, or I could just sit in here. For the interest of time, I think we might have to go outside because it doesn't look like it's falling off anytime soon. Isn't that beautiful? I had a little session with my coworker today. I was telling her about a time where I got the ick. I got the ick from a guy who said that he wouldn't shovel the snow off the car. I like giving guys hypotheticals. Anyone else, like, oh, would you do this for me? Or like, would you do this? Or like, if this ever happened, would you do blah, 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 blah? I do that shit all the time. It's my favorite form of conversation. But I was telling her about a time this guy didn't, and he said he wouldn't, or for some reason, no real explanation about it. I'm like, yeah, I've never seen you again. It was a cold ass winter too that year. It was giving 2014, 2015. Every year is cold, but and then I remember another time, a sweet little moment. This guy, he walked me to my car, and I was gonna sit in the car and wait for the snow to fall off. I didn't have a snow wiper. I didn't have this guy, so I was just like, it's gonna melt eventually. So I was just gonna wait for it to melt and fall off. And he didn't even have a car. Red flag. But so he used his arm and he was cleaning off the snow. And I was thinking about that today, and it made me a little sad. I should have been an actor. I can think myself into tears. But yeah, I just wanted to give that little tidbit as I was cleaning out the snow off the car. Minnesota. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get home. I have to go study and upload a video for today. This is so like intense, but I think sticking to my plan and following through with something has been really dope. I really like that. But yeah, I'll see you guys at home. Y'all gonna get sick of seeing me in this row. You're gonna get sick of seeing me in this row. I stay in this row at home. I stay in this row when I'm home. So yeah, I need to finish editing today's video, which y'all will call yesterday's video. Vlogs are always kind of hard because it lets people close to you be nosy, and also being a small creator, there's no one really interested in what you have to post yet. Like, people use YouTube as a tool, and that's what you have to take advantage of. So I'm trying to do, but I also like Vlogmas. It's teaching me more consistency and just how not to overthink it. Sometimes when it's like the procrastination, if your back is up against the wall, you actually go through with it. If your back is up against the wall, you'll actually go through with it. A lot of Vlogmas is go back to back. You don't have time to overthink. You don't have time to question your music transitions. You trust your gut feeling, which I really like. I'm a better creator than I thought. Better like content distributor. Everybody, we're all great creators. Every time that ice machine goes off, I get terrified. But for tonight's dinner, we're eating a cup of noodles. This is the stir fry, the hot garlic chicken flavor one is the best flavor. All the rest of them are trash. Trust me, I've tried. I also have these little salmon bites, if you can see that inside there. I just put that in there to make it more filling. Yeah, fire hits the spot every time. I also added like this miso jalapeno sauce from Trader Joe's. It's my roommate's. And soy sauce. I usually would add sriracha, but I'm out of sriracha. But yeah, I'm hoping these little, this was actually like a salmon patty, but I didn't really like the patties. They were mad tasteless. There were like Cajun or special seasoned patties and they were disgusting. But I chopped them up and seasoned them and fried them, but it can't be bad after that. There's no way it could be bad after that. I am just gonna sit and hang out, edit this video for today, finish editing this video, and I have a quiz due at midnight I have to do. And then I'm gonna go to bed. Like, yeah, hopefully that was interesting. You enjoyed that day. It wasn't interesting, it was simple AF. It was giving day in the life of a lab tech full-time employee slash student, but random. Either way, I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys on the next Vlogmas.